Hi guys, today we are going to see about the wireless mouse that is by Flipkart, and let's first unbox the mouse and show you all the details about this. So let's start unboxing. So first in the row we get the mouse itself with neatly packaged with bubble wraps, and the second one is a manual book. It is just how to use it and all those details in it. Step-by-step instruction. That's it. And a thank you card from Flipkart with a small joke attached. I'll just show it, you can write up. Okay, let's get to the product. So taking out of the bubble wrap, this mouse feels really not that much heavy, but yeah, for the price, this build quality is amazing. It's quite shiny outside and matte finish backside. Oh, you get a battery also free with this. And this is a connector that used to be connected to your PC or your laptop. And this battery is a 1 AA battery, and this comes along with the product itself. That is a good thing because most of the boxes wouldn't give you the battery along with that. You have to buy that separately. Definitely a finger magnet. You can see my fingerprints all over the mouse right now. Yeah, build quality looks pretty good. The buttons are clicky. We have a roll, and there is a special item in this. There's a third extra button. This is a special one on this mouse. I'll explain it to you how it works later. But it's a really, you cannot expect a mouse of 450 rupees of this with this kind of extra fittings. This is actually called DPI. Let me quickly collect it with my laptop and show it to you how it works. It's pretty simple. You just need to plug this USB connector in it. It doesn't require any software or any additional drives, so you can just connect it to any laptop or any PC you have. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. Just on the button here, you'll see a red light popping up, and here it is connected. So this is the extra button I was talking to you about earlier. So this is to adjust the speed of the mouse, which is called as DPI, that is dot per inch. So it starts from 800, 1200 and 1600. It can be adjusted as for your comfortability. It's a really good feature and less price. And you can see the 3 different speeds on the screen right now. So yeah, these are the features of this mouse, and you can just turn off the mouse when you're not using it. It will save your power. Yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it.